Hi, Assalamualaikum to my lecturer, Sir Hasanuddin bin Hassan. Today, I would like to present my individual assignment, Fundamental of Management. My name is Nur Shazwani Husna bint Osman Ali, metric number A20A1842. Alright, in the first slide, I want to talk about the management. What is management? Management is the process of carrying out tasks through organizational resources to achieve set goal and objective efficiently and effectively. Next, we move to the four management functions that have been applied in the T-Life company. The first one is planning, second, organizing, third, leading, and fourth, controlling. Okay, let me go through one by one. The first one is planning. Planning is the process of determining the goal to be achieved in the future and the action that need to be taken to achieve the goal of the organization. For example, Brian Lu is always ready with various strategy for the future as consumer tastes are always changing. Therefore, T-Life is consistently creating new menu for customers to maintain their position in the market. Next is organizing. Organizing is to organize and distribute organizational resources to perform assigned tasks so that the organizational goal can be achieved. Brian Lu, as a top manager, will determine all the policies that need to be done by his subordinate in T-Life company. Then, the middle manager will distribute resources and tasks to employees to achieve organizational goal. Manager will assign tasks based on the employee ability. For example, there are workers who take customer order, make water, pack water, and more. At the same time, managers should make sure employees understand their job and make sure employees are given the right amount of the work and the right amount of the time to complete their job. Third is leading. Leading focuses on motivating employees and influencing their behavior to achieve organizational objectives. It is using interpersonal skill to encourage team members to perform the best of their abilities. Brian Liu, as a leader, needs to make sure his subordinates have a good behavior while working. He will train his employees in carrying out their duties properly. For example, train them to have a good communication with customers, support employees to build good relationship with the team, and more. The last one in the management function is controlling. Controlling is the process of evaluating the execution to ensure that the organizational objective has been accomplished. Brian Liu will monitor the performance of his employee, then he will compare it to the desired achievement in T-Life. For example, Brian Liu want his employee to reach sales target that have been set each year. Therefore, to achieve the sales target, he will control the way his employee work. With that, his employee will do a better job. Who is top manager in Loop Holdings Sdn Bhd? So, of course, Lee Brian Liu. Okay, we move to the role top manager need to perform in the organization. We have 10 roles top manager need to perform in the T-Life company. We go through one by one. The first one is figurehead. Figurehead is manager represent the organization in providing information to customer or external party who need information about the organization. Brian Liu, as a top manager, will represent himself in any situation in the organization but does not play an overall role. For example, Brian Liu has the power to make a policy, but he has no power to determine what decisions are made. Second, leader. Managers are also leaders in the organization. Thus, manager typically acts a motivator by providing help, motivation, training, and guidance to other employees in the organization. Managers are also set an example to employees, and all managerial actions are usually followed by employees. Brian Liu will direct his employees to do their work and advise his employee if they make a mistake while completing a task in a T-Life. Third is relation. Involve the manager relationship with individual outside the organization to obtain information on development outside the organization. Brian Liu has established relationship with outside organizations such as Touch and Go to make it easier for customers to place orders through the apps. Next is monitor. Manager will monitor the surrounding area to gather information, changes and problems that may affecting the organization. The information obtained can affect the overall performance of the organization, just like competing information of other company competitor. Brainu will study the strategy of competitor in the market like Kubla, Daboba and many more. So he is going to innovate T-Life in terms of releasing a different new menu from the rest. We move to disseminator and spokesman. Disseminator. Manager need to communicate potentially using useful information for the team. Brailu will convey important information to members of the organization through meeting. This way to ensure that members in T-Life organization can complete their respective tasks. Spokesman. Manager represent and speak for their organization for transmitting information and goals to the people outside. Brailu is responsible for promoting T-Life to the mass media and the general public so that they will know more about the T-Life. Entrepreneur. Manager need to create and control change within the organization such as solving problem, generating new idea and more. Brian Liu come up with the idea by changing Chatai name to T-Life, and T-Life has also expanded to the foreign country after their first opening in Malaysia. Next, disturbance handler. Role manager in this situation when the organization encounters an unexpected problem, the manager must be responsible and resolve the dispute promptly. Brian Liu and his subordinate have to solve problems that arise beyond their control, such as bankrupt, breach of agreement, damaged machine tool, work strike, and many more. The second last is resources allocator and negotiation. Resources allocator. Manager plan and manage organizational resources according to the importance and suitability of tasks to specific work unit or department. Brian Liu will determine the resources used in the production of T-Life, such as what resources to whom T-Life should be distributed and when it should be distributed to get a sale. The last one is negotiation. A manager needs to consult with other individuals or unit to achieve organization objective. This can be related to work, performance objective, resources, and other matters that may affect the organization. For example, Brian Liu will negotiating with outside organization for his T-Life product in terms of special order for the large customer. Besides, Brian Liu can also consult with a representative of the workers' organization if issues such as employee welfare and other. So, why innovation is important to CEO Brian Liu? Innovation is important to CEO Brian Liu because his company T-Life is a drink that will only be bought by the public at a certain time according to the wishes of the customer. So, innovation is one of the ways to attract customers to buy and try new things that have been innovated by the manufacturer, like new flavor and new menu of T-Life. Customer will often be more attracted to the new product than product that has been on the market for a long time. So, this is one of the reasons why every organization in the production need to innovate their product so that customer will be aware of the product longer. And how technology changed the manager works today? Technology has changed the work of manager today through technological advance of manager. The manager always meet with the staff in the meeting room to discuss organization development. But with the technology such as Google Meeting, Zoom and various other platforms, face-to-face interaction can be reduced and meeting can be done quickly when technology is applied. Second, With the quick information by today's technology, it's changed manager work. Like manager can make a better formulated plan, make a faster decision, more clearly define the job that workers need to perform, and monitor work's activity. This is because technology help manager to do their work easily and clearly. Before this, the manager requires many of his subordinates in helping to make plan and decision in the organization. But with the availability of technology, organizational decision can made by manager and some important employees only. That's all from me. Thank you.